Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily remove SIM card from your iPhone 16e. So first, what you guys need is a SIM card puller, and now place it into this little hole right here, and now push it until you hear a click. Now take it off, and here you can remove the card from the inside. As you guys can see, now there is no card, and now we can place it back. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.